Still struggling with oily skin that just won't behave? You're probably making one of these 5 skincare mistakes. Let's fix them, one by one. Mistake number 1, overwashing your face. Washing your face too often or using harsh cleansers strips away your natural oils. This makes your skin produce even more oil to compensate. Stick to washing twice a day with a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Mistake number 2, skipping moisturizer. Oily skin still needs hydration. When you skip moisturizer, your skin goes into oil production overdrive. Use a lightweight, oil-free gel moisturizer to keep your skin balanced. Mistake number 3, using alcohol-based toners. These may feel refreshing at first, but they dry out your skin and increase sensitivity. Look for toners with soothing ingredients like witch hazel or green tea instead. Mistake number 4, not wearing sunscreen. Many people with oily skin avoid sunscreen because they think it clogs pores. But unprotected skin becomes damaged and oilier over time. Choose a non-comedogenic matte finish SPF. Mistake number 5, popping pimples. It's tempting, but popping pimples leads to scarring and more breakouts. Instead, treat them with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. Fixing these 5 mistakes can completely transform your oily skin. Follow me for more real skincare tips that actually work.